With just a few months until Apple's fall event, reports on everything from its design and camera to its hardware indicate that Apple is considering big upgrades to the iPhone 15 series, particularly the iPhone 15 Pro Max. With so many contradicting reports circulating, here's what we currently know about the impending iPhone 15 Pro Max. Several tipsters have speculated that the iPhone 15 Pro Max could include a curved design, which has been seen on leaked dummy units of the smartphone. According to Shrimp Apple Pro, it may also have curved bezels. The visible area will remain flat, but the side bezels will be much larger, slimmer and enclosed within the curve region to provide a more bezel-less experience similar to the display of the Apple Watch Ultra. According to 9to5Mac, the iPhone 15 Pro Max may have the tiniest bezels of any smartphone, measuring just 1.55 millimeters. One of the most significant modifications to the iPhone in recent years is the inclusion of a USB Type-C port, which will replace Apple's proprietary Lightning port in conformity with EU rules. According to a report, Apple may limit the charging speeds on third-party chargers and cables, only allowing MFI-certified accessories to take advantage of full charging speeds. Furthermore, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to have a titanium frame with haptic mid-switch, as shown in renders of the smartphone. Another leak can add a new action button similar to the one present on the Apple Watch Ultra. The iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro are believed to include the brand new A17 Bionic chipset, which could be built on the latest 3nm process technology. According to Apple expert Ming-Chi Kuo, the 17 Bionic will be available only for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the RAM will be increased to 8 GB. The leaked benchmark scores for the iPhone 15 Pro Max indicate how much faster it could be than not only the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but also the top Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The iPhone 15 Pro Max received a Geekbench 6 single-core score of 3019, whereas the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra received scores of 2523 and 2000, respectively. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.